Project Zero Net Energy. Solar integration made possible by the efforts of Southern California Edison, Orion Solar Racking, and Solar Optimum. In this video, we'll give you a brief overview of the net zero energy concept and walk you through the installation process. According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, a net zero energy community is one that has greatly reduced energy needs through efficiency gains such that the balance of energy for vehicles, thermal and electrical energy within the community is met by renewable energy. There are many components that go into building a zero-net energy home. However, this video is primarily focused on its electrical production, achieved through solar photovoltaic technology. The concept of zero-net energy is becoming more popular as costs to traditional forms of fuels are on the rise. Collectively as a team, Orion Solar Racking along with Solar Optimum are both proud to have been partakers of this exciting project. This project was made possible by the contributions of Orion Solar Racking, Solar Optimum, and ET Solar. Now the installation process. Measuring the roof comes first. This will help determine the number of panels the roof area can hold. Once all measurements are complete, a detailed shade analysis is conducted. It is important to know if any objects, such as trees, may block sunlight from reaching the panels. Based on these reports, our engineers draft detailed drawings, a roadmap used by the installation crew to get the job done. Based on the drawings, the areas on which the flashings will be installed are carefully marked. These flashings are placed on top of roof rafters, which will later be penetrated. Various methods are used in finding the rafters. In this example, you can see that the installer is using a special hammer to see if the bounce back from the roof is the sign of a roof rafter or not. Having found the rafter, he proceeds with penetration. A piece of the shingle on which the flashing will be tightened is loosened and then cut to specific flashing dimensions. To protect from leakage during rainy seasons, a special sealant is used to seal all penetrations. In this demonstration, we use the Venus series racking system provided by Orion Solar Racking. This mounting system is primarily used for flat roofs. The technology used with this specific racking system allows for the combination of rails through a share rail bracket. This means less penetrations to the roof, less use of materials, and less cost to the owner. Upon installing the rails, the microinverters are placed in the proper locations on the racking and connected to the trunk cables. Solar panels are now ready to be installed. All panels are carefully hoisted and placed gently on the racking system. They are then connected to the microinverters and tightly fastened, enabling them to withstand rough weather conditions. Conduits that will carry electricity to the main service panel run from the junction box to the disconnect switch, to the performance meter, which will keep track of electricity produced, and finally to the main service panel. This home is now ready to produce its own power. Just give it the sun, and the panels will do the rest. Thank you for taking the time to view this short but informative video. Orion Solar Racking along with Solar Optimum thank Southern California Edison along with ET Solar for making this project possible. From all of us at Orion Solar Racking and Solar Optimum, thank you. We look forward to being your guide in going green.